Welcome. In this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this iPhone 17 Pro, and then I'll be installing it in this Insignia Hard-Shell Case. Now if you want to buy one of these, YouTube will have a link for this that you can click on, and that's my YouTube shopping link, and that's an affiliate link, and that helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. The nice thing about this case is Insignia is a Best Buy brand, so from that link you can order that and then pick it up in the store, and usually you can have it same day. Now I don't know if I'm going to keep this case forever, but this is a budget-friendly case. And I'm someone who doesn't like to use a phone bare. So if you get a new phone and you're not sure what case to get, a case like this can be a good one to use in the interim while you choose maybe a fancier case. So let's start by getting this open. So it has the tabs on the back. I'll peel those. And here we have the phone. Peel this off the front. And then this comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. So they have all their eco-friendly packaging, so it's a lot of paper. Then down here, we have something, looks like maybe some compliance things. So no more stickers in the box like they used to have with Apple products, but that's fine by me. So I currently use an iPhone 13 mini. Probably some of the bigger things on here is that there's the action button here, we have the camera button, and we have 3 cameras instead of 2. So I'm not going to go over the camera. If there's anything you want to see on this, drop a comment below. But this is the iPhone 17 Pro. So let's get this case out. Slide that pretty easy. Okay. So when I put a case in like this, I like to find the side with more buttons. It's probably this side here, and put that in first. So I'll slide that in. Then I'll press in on the phone on the corners. Just kind of work my way around. And now this is installed. So if we look here, say maybe put this here. Don't know if that's coming through on camera. Kind of angle it around. But this does stick out proud of the lenses. So if you set this down on a flat surface, it's not going to rub on those lenses. Now if you set this on sand or rocks, then yes, it will expose those. It has some kind of grippy ribbing on the side here. It has some small bumpers in the corners. It has openings for the buttons. It has molded buttons in here, and then this is open for the camera. And then of course we have openings for charging and the speakers. Now this is the clear case with the Magsafe, so this is going to be compatible with Magsafe accessories. So if you have chargers, this will work with that. And since it's clear, it's going to show off the color of your phone. A lot of times we get colored phones because it's our favorite color, and then you cover it up with a solid case, you don't get to see it, which is fine. But with this case, you actually get to show off the color of your phone, if that's your thing. Okay, so I just want to make that quick video. If you're looking for a basic case, I think this Insignia Hard-Shell Case is a good option. Again, you can oftentimes get this locally, and it's really easy. You can order online and then pick up in store. Usually it says like an hour later. So if I switch to some other cases in the future, I may show those on this channel, but I'm going to use this one until then. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.